Good morning guys, in front of me is REALME GT and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. At first you have to open the settings, then find and select password and security, and here mark fingerprint. Then click on continue, and at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, alphanumeric code or numeric code. Let me choose pattern. So provide the pattern that you wish to have, re-enter it just to confirm, and now it's time to enroll your fingerprint. As you can see, the sensor is located on your screen, so smoothly keep tapping with your finger till it's fully added. And that's it. As you can see, it has been already added, so just click on done, and from now on you can smoothly unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.